Hey guys, Brad here with Skyline Construction, and today we're going to be taking a look at a pneumatic nailer. This is specifically designed for installing composite deck boards. So, come on in. This is the Tiger Claw. Now, they give you a nice case with it, and it is actually a very fast way to install composite decking. So, this is the gun itself. And it is only designed to do tongue and groove decking. Now, there's a deal out there here in Canada where if you buy this gun, if you buy the screws and the fasteners, you get the gun for free. And the gun is sold separately for like $400. So take a look, see what you can get before you actually purchase this gun. Now, the way it works is we've got basically like a ballistic screw right here. And then the clips themselves are right here. So if you've done a lot of tongue and groove composite decking, you know these little guys, these little tiger claws are really great, but they're a pain in the butt to put in by hand. And the way you do that is this part right here fits in the board, and then you screw on the angle, and then the next board slips into this clip, and then you just keep repeating that process. And these screw into the joists. But what this gun does is it speeds that process up. So it's pneumatic, so you hook it up to air, 90 psi. And you put the screw or the nails / screws in the back. I'll just try and get one out here. I've got them loaded. There we go. So put the clip in, slides in the back, slide it in, pull that forward, and you're ready to go. Now, every time you want to put a clip in, you have to take it and you hold it with the hole on the right side and the claw facing upwards. Okay, and then you just slide it onto the nose. So that's loaded and ready to go. So I'll just show you again. Just take it like this and just slide it on. Very easy. So then what you want to do is you go up to the deck board. To my hand is the board here. And you slide it into the board and you drop the gun down so that this part right here of the gun is resting on the joist. Then you press down, and you can see the movement in here, there's a spring. You press down about a ½ inch and then you can fire. So this is your safety for the trigger. Once that's depressed, you shoot and it will fire a ballistic nail through here, locking in that deck board, and then you can do the next one. So super fast. I always used to screw these in by hand or use different systems. There's plastic clip systems or whatever. I do like the Tiger Claws, and it was just, by the end of it, your fingers almost get raw. They're just from handling the metal all the time and screwing. And with screwing, you do run the risk of sometimes slipping off a screw and hitting that deck board. And basically you've screwed up the board. So if it's a real bad hole, you got to toss it. With this system, I've done, I don't know, a couple thousand clips, I guess, and I never had an issue as far as damaging the boards. The only issues I ever had was if I got the clip in and I was just moving a bit too fast and the clip sort of slid out, the nail would shoot beside it, and so you just have to unscrew it. And these are a Phillips head, so they unscrew. It's a ballistic nail. So that's the only error I ever encountered with using this tool. And I always found, if you lay a bunch of these out in front of the joist space that you're working on, or if you have them in your pouch, you're just always ready to go, as opposed to carrying the bucket around with you. Just place them out where you need and just grab and shoot and grab and shoot, and it goes incredibly fast. I mean, we'll show some video here of installing these, but you know, you just pick it up, slap it in, fire. It's that quick. It's instant. The only, I guess, downside, negative comment I have about this gun is the clip length. They should have made this about ½ inch to an inch longer. If they did that, because what happens sometimes is you've got the nails in here and it just does not want to clip in properly. It's built so tight to this length of nail / screw that this system here sometimes doesn't want to catch, and you just got to be perfect, and so it kind of slows you down. There is no tolerance in here. If you have let's say 2 screws at the front and you put this in, there's 0 tolerance. So that's my biggest pet peeve. It slows you down a little bit. So if they just made this an inch longer, that would solve the problem. So if you're listening, Tiger Claw guys, just change this part out. Just make it an inch longer. Now they do give you a clip that mounts on the side here. I took this off because it just makes the gun a little bit wider. So when you're, let's say if you're nailing up against a wall or stairs or whatever, and it's up this high, you can't get in tight enough. So I just took it off because it would tip it out and then you would not be able to shoot. So took that off. They give you some oil and they do give you some glasses, which are super important. Instructions in a nice hard case. And yeah, just so you know, these clips are not cheap. I think it was 500 bucks for all of this right here. And to get the gun, you need to buy 2 buckets and 2 cases of screws. So I think it's $1,000 for material, and then you get a free gun, which is a $400 value. So if you're doing lots of decks, it's totally worth it. If you're just doing one, you know, maybe it's worth it if time is a big issue for you. I know, you know, as being professional, it is. So highly recommend to all the guys out there that are using these clip systems to get this gun, because it's just going to save you so much time. Another thing is I would almost recommend getting 2, so you could have 2 guys running, because it is back-breaking putting in deck boards, you know, always bending over. I'm a very tall person, so bending over, nailing it, you know, your back is shot by the end of the day. But if you had 2 of these going, you know, it would take no time at all. All right, guys, so here we are inserting some of these Tiger Claws on this deck. You can see how easy it is to load them and firing them into place. It just makes installing decks so much quicker than using a screwdriver or a drill or an impact or anything like that. So the deck boards we're installing here is by Decorators. It's the Tundra line, and it's new to the market. It's really, really nice deck, and so we decided to get this Tiger Claw nailer to help put it in. Definitely very happy that I got it, and it's really speeding up this job. As you can see, it's super fast to nail these in. It's just load, fire, load, fire. There's no lag time at all. There's no fumbling around with putting a screw on the end of my drill. It's just stick it in and fire and onto the next board. So my experience with this gun has been positive. It's really sped up my job. Not having to use a drill. It's just really, really nice. It probably cut a day of labor out. So highly recommend this gun, guys. Super fan of ballistic type nails. They just speed up the job. We did another video on a ballistic gun. It's by Max, and that's used for shooting down sheathing. So another way of using that ballistic style. But Highly recommend the gun, guys. It's really, really focused just on decking, and it does use a bunch of different style deck boards. Go on their website, check them out. They'll tell you which boards it's compatible with. There's a whole list. Yeah, so leave some comments down below. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notify bell, all the good stuff. Till next time, keep on crushing it. I'll catch you later.